This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Da ka jing tmu ban wan ra ya ka jing long shngan ki Jaka Jngohkai perthai ki badan hakaleng ka jilla haka khat new terit ujilliu ar hajar arpusan ka sorkar jilla lingba uba pol lingdo menteri ka kam Jngohkai perthai ula pentep baka sorkar kan sabuno daki kor closed circuit television lani CCTV haki Jaka Shangkai perthai ki bala ban mi ka Jingjia khamtam haki Thaiñ Sohra. Ya kan ni uba pol pentep Hadien ka Jingsha pen ki wen ka jilla na ka Jingsha Pyniap uraja Raghuvanshi kat ba udang wan honeymoon ringkat berkuren ka sonam Raghuvanshi haka Thaiñ Sohra. Haba keren cikilat pathai kubor uba pol ulaong baka sorkar kala patharu ya ka Sohra Tourism Association ban IT no ya ki thop keteng jom ki Jaka Jngohkai perthai ki ba idon kam ban bu ya ka kor CCTV. Nalor kani ula pensngoru bagi nongbu Jaka sa ya ki nong Jngohkai perthai ki dai ban register ya ki lengba ka tourism app. Ula ong baka sorkar kan sabut din ru ya ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act MRSSA ban nang thong baniat shushu nakabenta ka jinglong shngan ka jilla nalor ki wede.
We have already asked the Sohra Tourism Association to submit a list of areas which they consider most vulnerable. Once that list is furnished to us, we will immediately start acting. As I said, it will be based on the request that the Sohra Tourism Association will make to us. Those numbers will only come to us once they submit that formal requirement to us in writing. No, we'll go phase-wise wherever, but everything will be demand-driven. Meaning, wherever you have maximum footfalls, they will get, the first chance to have the security cameras in place. We have all the data of the tourists. We will have all that data once we have complete compliance by all owners of various homestays and tourist facilities. Once we have them, yes, of course, they will be monitored properly. Those, I don't have the list right here, but these are destinations with a maximum footfall. Roughly, it will cover Pyniap Lake, Quartz Lake, Sohra, then Jngohkai, then, those are the major ones. The approach of the government will be multi-pronged. First, as I mentioned the other day, we will ensure that all lodges, all accommodation units will now compulsorily register their guests through the tourism app, which is already available and which till today is being used by roughly 60% of the accommodation units. One. Two is you must have also seen the ban on the use of private vehicles to ferry travelers. Three, and more importantly, the decision for us in the cabinet to revisit the MRSSA and give it more teeth will also help to a large extent for us to be able to control crime. Fourth, the state police has already made a name for itself by cracking this criminal case of Sonam in record time, which is 7 days. That spectacular performance of the Meghalaya police itself has, I'm sure, put the fear of to visitors to not play around while traveling to Meghalaya. You can come here as tourists. We will welcome you, but if you create any issues and indulge yourself in criminal activities, the state police is there to immediately jump upon you. See, the app that we have already contains all data of every traveler to Meghalaya. Now, these travelers will stay at either resorts or homestays, and all of them have been instructed to register them compulsorily, and that data is also being shared with the local police station. To that extent, our data of travelers is therefore complete. Even in case of paying guests, whoever are accommodating guests, say by renting out a room or two, they also will have to now compulsorily use the app. So the information with us will be complete. And if anyone does not register and there is a breach of the law, then the onus falls on the owner of that accommodation unit, whether a hotel, a resort, or a homestay.
Hadien, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.